BART train to a tour bus. Still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy DDOGG Vlogs here with another insane adventure.
What?
What happened?
I don't know.
Shit's already going down.
I don't know what that was.
What the fuck is it? What's in there?
There's something in there.
Watch out, let me go.
Some animal. It's a bird.
Let me go.
Scared the shit out of me.
Oh shit.
Baby bird.
Oh, what up, dude?
Yeah, I'm just gonna open this door a little bit more so you can get out of here.
Come here, buddy. I'm gonna let you out. I'm gonna let you out. It's okay. Hey. I'm gonna let you out. Shh. Come on.
He's gone. He's out.
Go that way.
Right.
Go that way. Yep, there you go. Now you're out. Alright. Well, that was an interesting way to start this video with an animal rescue, but before I was interrupted by the bird, I've got your boy Carlo. I got the two Joeys. We're here inside of an abandoned truck stop / hotel. And honestly, this place is freaking cool. What the fuck was that? That was weird. Now, this place is pretty cool, guys. There's a lot of bedding in here. What are all these tubes? Candles or? They look like the tubes that are on like old chandeliers. Ew. What is that? Ooh, it's a mushroom. What? There's a random shroom growing in here. Oh, there's a newspaper. 2007. Old bar. What? This place is massive. Alright guys, you already know. Now's the point where I start splitting off a little bit. Oh, what? That is a giant bird cage. That can't be a bird cage.
Yeah.
There's no lid on it. They had to have a head. No, that ain't a bird cage, bro.
That's a bird cage.
There's no roof on it.
Yeah, the stairs on it.
There's no roof on the cage.
It used to have a roof when
Oh yeah. I guess that makes sense then. What? This place is insane.
You going up here?
Alright guys, I'm going up and I'm gonna check this out. This place is pretty freaking sweet, guys. Is that you down there? Oh my god, you fucking tripped me out. All I see is a light on the wall over here. Whoa! It's just the smell of old wood. This is cool. This is pretty amazing. Man, this is pretty solid compared to what I was doing today. It's got a little bit of a lean there, but there's no railing here. Be careful, guys.
He lives right here. Dustin?
What's that?
He lives right here. It's in the bird cage.
You found? Oh, you found the lid? Yeah. We'll go check that out in a minute, guys. Carlo just said he found the lid for the bird cage. Whoa! We found the kitchen. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, we found the kitchen. Look at this old oven, pizza oven. That's pretty cool. This kitchen's destroyed. Whoa, there's like a little half door here. Looks like they drywalled this room off. They did. That's crazy. There used to be a piece of drywall here, so whatever's back here they sealed off and didn't want people to see. Whoa. Everybody's back there still. This is creepy. It's the front. Whoa, there's a basement. There's a really old basement in here, and it's all flooded.
Yeah. Or is this the lid to the basement?
Ow. Oh yeah. There's the lid for the bird cage, guys. That is freaking cool. And that is just bizarre. Like, that would have looked so weird when it was actually running. The bar section. Anybody want a drink? The fuck is... Yeah. Brand new boxes of pillows. They literally got pillows still in the bags.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Look at the old chandeliers in here. They're frickin' so cool looking. You wanna know what's funny? I bet you could turn the power on in here.
No.
Because every single fuse is off. How many abandoned buildings I've been in lately and I turn the power on? Registration for the hotel.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Why don't you go look back? Ew. Nasty.
Oh my god. Look what we just found, guys. What? And it's still locked. Oh my god. That is insane. It really makes you wonder if there's anything in there. That'd be crazy. Alright guys, we're gonna go check out over there, but I gotta go through all these chairs and hopefully not fall through one again. I've taken enough injuries over the past 24 hours.
Holy, someone's visa things right here.
What?
Their codes and everything.
Are you kidding me?
Look at this. Method of payments, got their card number, expiration date.
Wow.
That's sick.
Look at this, guys. That is an original freaking stereophonic high fidelity, whatever the heck that means in 1960 terms. Well, this thing's probably older than that. Like, this thing's really old. It's an old Viking.
That's crazy.
That is freaking cool, man. This thing won't open though. Huh.
So sick.
Whoa. Found old TVs. Old fridge. Look at the old TVs, guys. Those things are classics. Who remembers having to use those old school box TVs that just barely had color? You couldn't keep your PlayStation on it long because it'd burn a freaking image in your screen. Yeah. Thank God we don't live in those days anymore. Ooh, is that a giant spider? Yeah. Fucking hate spiders. I don't get why there's used to be windows all up there. Why is there a random blind hanging there? This place had a really cool design. You guys want to see something funny? Yeah. This is what we risk for you guys. Watch the security system go off as soon as they go over there. Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Bam, look at that. That is a little sketchy, guys. But this is a more behind the scenes clip because I'm bringing you guys along for my B-roll shots. So you guys can see what I'm going through right now. Ow! Alright, here we go. Wait for the security alarm to activate. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I got a bunch of new videos on the way. You guys won't want to miss them, so make sure you subscribe to the notifications on. My merch link will be down below, and everybody else's links will be down below that was with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.